Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 24, How to Use WordPress Tools. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Tools option. So let's get started. From the WordPress dashboard, choose Tools. Here it is showing a tool named Categories and Tags Converter is available to import. Here inside Tools, we have sub-options like Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, and Erase Personal Data. So choose this Import option from here. And it says if you have posts and comments in another system, WordPress can import those into the site. You just need to choose a system from below to import them. So here we have Blogger, LiveJournal, Tumblr, and WordPress also. It is showing what it will import. So let's install this Blogger. Click on Install Now button. Then click on this Run Importer option. Here you need to upload your Blogger exported XML file. Click on this Choose File button to select the file to upload. And then click on this Upload File and Import button. The next submenu is Export. If you choose this, WordPress will create an XML for you to export. It will contain your posts, pages, and everything else. You have to save the XML file and import it into another WordPress installation to import this site's content. Now choose what you need to export. You can choose all content or anything from posts, pages, contact forms, and media. Select Content and click on Download Export File button. You can see the XML file is downloaded successfully. Next is Site Health. Click on it. So here it is showing important information about your WordPress site. Below it is showing 3 recommended improvements. You need to remove inactive themes, PHP update, and last is your site doesn't use HTTPS. Here it is not a secure site. If you want additional details, click on this arrow, and here it is explaining what exactly you need to fix. It's for all the recommendations, and if you want help with it, you can click on this provided link. So next is Export Personal Data. Click on it. Here it is empty and showing a message that an email will be sent to the user to the provided email address to verify the export request. The last one is Erase Personal Data. Click on it. Here also the requesters column is empty and it will also verify first before proceeding. So that's pretty much everything with the Tools option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Settings option. We'll see step by step how to change your settings. See you in the next video tutorial.